Hi friends, this query by one of our friend from WhatsApp group asked this query, that is whatever in sheet 1, if you will enter in main data, it should reflect in sheet 2 dynamically. Okay, each and everything should reflect whatever we type in sheet 1. Okay, so here I will show you the dynamic way. So yeah, it's very easy actually. It's not a big problem. It's very small issue. Okay. So here is the screen which I'm going to show. It's a dummy data. Okay. A dummy data, right? Okay. Here is the data. Whenever we enter over here, anything, okay, anything, it should reflect in sheet 2, like this here. Okay, I'll delete this one. For that, you can able to understand easily. Delete. Okay, I deleted everything. Okay. So, and I will show you another thing also, that where is the last cell address entry. Okay. I mean to say that where in which cell and how you'll jump to that cell. Got that point? How you'll jump to that cell. Right. So here what I'll do, it's very easy. I'll zoom a little bit. C is equal to, if in sheet 1 here in this cell, okay, I'm not freezing anything. Try to understand. I'm not freezing anything. Just it's a relative. Wherever it move, it has to move accordingly. So for that reason, I am not freezing the cell address. Not blank. If this is not blank, then pick up this one only. Okay. If it is not blank. If if it is blank, then show me the blank. Okay. If it is not blank, pick up that value from over there. If it is blank, then as it is, take the blank. Okay, enter. It's very easy. Enter. See, the last entry address, A1. Actually, A5 it is, not A1, sorry. Okay, I will make it that one. Not A1, it is A5 actually. See. So I drag this formula. See, here I will show you the magic. Okay. See, I want to drag this formula till D50. Oh, assume that D50. Okay, so you have to drag and copy this formula. Okay, this is the condition. So what I'll do here, just I'll select this cell and I'll go to cell address. I'll type D50. Okay, now what I'll do here, I use shift enter. Sorry, shift enter, right? Okay, D50. 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 Roll up arrow. Here again D50. Still there you need this data. Okay. Control D. Now it will copy the formula still where it occurred. Okay. See what I'll do here. I'll actually have to drag this formula. Actually I have to select this whole thing, then only it will work. Control Z. Again, here I'll keeping. Now I'm going to D50. D50. Shift enter. So it will select all the top data and I'll use control D. Okay. Till where you need D50. You can able to see your D50. Okay. So coming back to the top of the address C. Okay. Here this is wrong actually. A46 it's not, it's wrong actually. A46 is not there. A18. It has to come A18. Okay. So it is showing 46. So it's a wrong. Okay. So we will make it how to do that one. Okay. Delete. So what I'll do here, first of all, we have to check last row. Okay, last cell address of a entry. Right. So what I'll do, I use a address if. Okay. If this is not blank, if this is not control backspace, is not blank. It is not a blank. Okay. Then pick up of the text. Okay. So what I'll use here, counter of this F4. Okay. If it is not blank. And I don't need falses, so I'm this thing. Okay, F9. So it will show you like this 46. But we don't need 46 actually. I suspend this formula for a while to show you better. We don't need that 46. We need only A18. Okay, A18 we need. Whenever you enter the data over there, it has to move, it has to show accordingly. This is the logic over here. Counter will count all the things. For that, it is showing 46. So we doesn't want that one. So coming back to the original formula that lookup of 9.9e plus 307 1 divided by, okay, is not equal to blank. Same thing is not equal to blank, control backspace, okay, close parenthesis. Right. Now, look up vector, row of this. Let's check it out. Okay, control backspace, close parenthesis, F9. Okay, somewhere went wrong here. Any place, okay, I have to keep comma over here. Okay, done. F9, see 18. Now I use the address function here, add address of row number 18, column will be 1 and it should be absolute. Okay. Now check the magic. It's A18. Whenever we enter data over here like this, if we enter data in sheet 1, it has to reflect here and it has to show last entry, cell address of a last entry date, it has to show A19. Okay. So here I'm going to enter some, okay, already there, just I copy randomly any control C and control V. Okay. So it has to show 19 over there. Understood? It has to show 19 over there. A19 over there. And then this data, okay, double is there. So we'll do one thing. I'll keep only Rohan here. Rohan Yadav. Rohan Yadav. Okay. With credit card. Did transaction with credit card amount of 3916 on date of October 3rd, 2024. Okay, it has to reflect over here. Let's see, check it out. Well, it is working. See, A19. Okay, A19 last Rohan Yadav. See, if I'll double click over there, you can see Rohan Yadav. With credit card 3916 2024 10 October 3rd, 2024. Okay, this is the month and this is the, sorry, this is the date and this is the month and this is the year. Understood, guys? And if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment box or in my Telegram group. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support.